Hello friends, welcome to Web and Beyond. So in this video, we are going to show how we can clone different apps on our phone without having any third-party app. So MIUI 8 has provided a very new feature known as Dual Apps, which allows you to clone our apps without having any third-party app, which includes WhatsApp, Facebook, and other social media. So, if you have two accounts on any social media, you can easily manage from one single device. So, let us see how we can create or clone our apps. So, basically, you have to just to go to the settings and then go to the dual apps. See, I have created a dual app for my WhatsApp account, and currently I am using WhatsApp for two different numbers. So let's create a new app, create a clone of this app, say Docs, Google Docs. So I connect to the home screen, then go to the home screen, and here it is. I opened it. See, the completely new app registration is going on and done. I just have to enter my Google account. Once I have registered with my original account, and here I can enter any other account. So let's then next, and there it is. So see, I have logged into Docs using my another ID, and if I open my original Docs, here it is. And I am signing as different user. That's how we can clone our app without installing any third-party app. Here's how I have cloned my WhatsApp account also.